Guys, I'm back. I'm actually back with a tutorial video or something, I guess. I don't know. But yeah, I'm just gonna show y'all how to clean y'all little foxy fall boots or whatever. I'm using the soft soil boot cleaner. It got some Tim's up on there. This is not even mine. I think this is my brother's. I don't know. And I was reading directions, and it looks a little harder than I thought it was gonna be, but it's okay. But yeah, I just did this video because I was like, nah, because by the end of the fall, if I don't clean my boots, they're gonna look dirty and bogus, and I'm not that type of person. But these boots are 4 inches high. They are from Bamboo, though. That's the like vendor, Bamboo. They were $30, 4 inches, thigh high, stretch, you know, all of that bang and shabiz. But yeah, I'm just gonna be showing y'all how to clean one side and then protect the boot from the other side. Like if it come out looking bogus, I'm not gonna be like too upset. Okay, so like I said, I'm using the boot cleaner, boot shield, and the brush. I have a cloth. So the boot cleaner basically states to hand wash only, moisten surface with cold water. Moistened the area. And yeah, I'm gonna repeat saying that, kind of know a lot of y'all hate that word, moist. Like, it doesn't make me cringe or anything, but now it just says take a little bit of product and put it on your applicator and rub gently. I kind of did scrub it vigorously, and I really regret that because it wasn't even that dirty, but hopefully it doesn't mess up the boots. But it says rinse with water and then stuff the paper. It just says stuff with paper, so I've just got some newspaper. I'm just gonna stuff them. I really don't think that they need that big of stuffing because they are on Saturday when I wore them, that was the first time I wore them, so they still have their shape. And in these boots, like, they actually have really good, you know, structure to them. But I'm gonna still do that just for the purpose of it. It's literally just stuffing the boots and just making sure I mold it so it's like not too like pointy and stuff. So yeah, I'm literally I just stuffed the boots. Literally. I see a difference. Like, look how dusty. Well, it may not be dusty to y'all, but it looks dusty to me. Like the right shoe that's not clean and the shoe that is, it looks much more like one toned, I guess. So I definitely see a difference. I showed y'all how to clean. I'm about to show y'all how to protect the boot. Now I haven't washed this boot, so I hope it's like doesn't make that much of a difference, but I don't have time for that. So it says start with a clean dry surface, not clean but it's dry, and apply outdoors or in a ventilated area. Spray evenly until the surface appears to be damp but not soaked, and let dry for 24 hours. Okay. I feel like I'm gonna regret not cleaning this because when I think of a shield, I think of like you build a shield up, so I think I'll never be able to get the dirt that's actually on there now off. But you know, do it for the YouTube. Okay, so they said spray until damp, so that's what I'm gonna do. So I just take it and then just start spraying it, like, and I know you're not supposed to spray it directly, they didn't say that, but I got y'all because the directions ain't that it's clear. But they could have put some little more directions up in there. And that's pretty damp, but I'm just making it a little bit more damper. You know something's damp when you can like put your finger on it and it's like shows a shadow or whatever. I'm just gonna, they say like not to use this, but I'm gonna use it because I want it to be even. Like, I don't know, do it yourself kind of. I don't know if y'all care about this, but the smell, it doesn't really smell like anything. You would think it smells all chemically and stuff, but it doesn't. But I like this because like as it's getting damper, you like, I think this is also kind of like a dry shampoo. Okay, it's a little more than damp, but that's fine. Like, it looks pretty good, like it really does. So I'm wondering how, you know, I'm really not worried about protecting the boots or whatever. I'm just worried about getting them clean. But I know there's some type of serum you can use to make them like shinier, so I'm wondering if this is gonna give them shine or luster or whatever. And it says that I need to wait 24 hours before for them to dry, but I can wait like 2 weeks because I probably won't be, these are like my going out boots, so I'm like, they have a lot of time to dry. So I'm not really worried about that. But yeah, Ooh, they want to spin for you. Okay. Okay. The boots, they say I should, I think, yeah, they said I should, I'm sorry. Well, they don't say I should stuff it with paper, but I think it would make sense to stuff it with paper too, because this is also like damp and stuff. So I don't know how long this video is gonna be, but I ain't gonna lie to y'all. Like, I'm gonna just talk about the boots. So like I said, I got them from Rainbow. They're really nice. Like, and I have bigger thighs, but in calf, well, not calves really, but like, you know, thighs and stuff. But they fit really nice and stuff. But I ain't gonna lie, like, maybe because I do have like a little bit of a foot coverage or something, but like these shoes, like, they really messed up my foot. Like, it's just my like larger toe or whatever. It's like it feels dislocated almost. So I'm not sure, because $30 for shoes, like, that's not expensive, but it's not super cheap or whatever. So I don't think it's nothing wrong with the quality. It's just, I personally feel like I just need to wear insoles or anything. So if you all could give me some recommendations on good insoles for heels or boots, or something that just will make high-heeled shoes comfortable, I would really love that. But thank you for watching, and subscribe, because y'all know y'all want to.